Hello, I'm here to guide you through generative AI in the workplace. This is a crucial topic today. Our goal is to break down complex ideas into clear insights. We'll start with the fundamentals. What is generative AI? How does it differ from other AI? And what does its widespread adoption look like in offices everywhere? Let's dive in. Let's start with the core definition. Generative AI refers to AI models that don't just process data, but create new content. This means writing text, composing music, drawing images, generating code, or even drafting reports. It uses patterns learned from large data sets. So, while traditional AI classifies or predicts, generative AI excels at producing new outputs. Here's a crucial distinction. Traditional AI systems are for specific rule-based tasks. Generative AI, however, handles a wide range of creative challenges. Imagine traditional AI as a skilled accountant, great at repetitive tasks. Generative AI is like a creative consultant. You prompt it, and it gives a unique, context-aware response. This ability to create dynamically sets it apart. Now let's talk about the quiet revolution in offices. Sarah, a marketing manager, drafts client proposals faster with Gen AI. David in finance automates reports using AI-drafted Python scripts. Emma in HR personalizes emails and role-plays conversations. The key is, none announce this change. It's not in their company's official tools, but they're transforming their work. This shows the organic, bottom-up adoption driven by practical utility. The numbers behind this revolution are compelling. Over a third of people in the UK, 36%, have used generative AI. 7 million people use Gen AI for work, a 66% increase from a year ago. This isn't just curiosity, it's a massive shift in how people do their jobs. This isn't a distant promise. It's happening now, showing rapid grassroots adoption. Usage patterns are insightful. 1 in 10 use it daily, 1 in 4 weekly, and 2 in 5 less than monthly. But the most revealing stat is that 74% of Gen AI users for work claim it boosts their productivity. This is a massive endorsement, yet only 27% say their employer encourages its use. This gap shows employees are finding solutions independently, like the early days of email. It solves problems. To recap, we define generative AI as AI that creates new content, different from traditional rule-based AI. We saw a quiet revolution with employees adopting AI tools. Statistics show Gen AI boosts productivity for most users, even with lagging formal employer encouragement. This sets the stage for understanding why AI is transforming professional lives. Next, we'll cover specific real-world applications. Welcome back. In our last lesson, we defined generative AI and how it's transforming workplaces. Now let's move from theory to practice. We'll explore tangible, real-world applications delivering results across business functions. We'll look at how generative AI is used in HR, customer service, and even some unexpected sectors. Then we'll dive into the productivity revolution it sparks and the crucial skills for this new era. Let's begin with HR. Generative AI moves beyond simple resume screening. Consider intelligent recruitment. AI helps HR teams analyze past hires and generate unbiased job postings. One firm improved response rates by 20% using Gen AI for personalized outreach. Then there's personalized employee experience. AI creates customized onboarding lists and dynamic FAQs. For performance management, AI drafts initial review summaries. This augments, rather than replaces, the human touch. In customer service, Gen AI goes beyond scripted responses. A telecom company used a Gen AI chatbot that understood complex billing questions. It accessed account data and explained charges clearly, reducing call volume by 15%. Another healthcare provider used AI to reduce call wrap-up times to 2 to 3 minutes. AI integrated voice-to-text with summarization for doctors and CRM. These examples show AI handling nuanced conversations and complex data. Gen AI's versatility extends to surprising areas. A mushroom farm automated categorizing fungi growth by feeding images into an AI model. This freed human experts for more complex analysis. This shows AI's ability to learn patterns and generate insights across almost any industry. It's about automating tedious visual analysis at scale. Module 3 discusses the productivity revolution for knowledge workers. People use generative AI to boost productivity, not replace judgment. For research, executives get AI summaries of financial reports. For content co-creation, marketing uses AI for drafts, with humans doing strategy. For admin efficiency, simple tasks like meeting summaries are done in minutes. This isn't AI replacing humans. It's AI augmenting us, letting us focus on higher value work. As AI handles routine tasks, certain human skills become even more valuable. First, prompt engineering. Communicating effectively with AI is crucial. A good prompt makes the difference. Second, critical thinking. AI can hallucinate, giving false information. Fact checking and verifying AI output are paramount. Third, ethical literacy. Understanding responsible AI use, bias, and fair outcomes requires human judgment. These skills are essential for navigating the AI workplace. To summarize Lesson 2, we've seen how generative AI applies across functions: HR, customer service, and unexpected uses like mushroom farming. We understood AI augments human productivity in research and content creation. This shift highlights the importance of human skills like prompt engineering, critical thinking, and ethical literacy. Next, we'll address challenges and risks and how to build responsible AI practices. Hello again. In our last lesson, we covered the power of generative AI and its applications. But with great power comes great responsibility. Today, we'll dive into navigating challenges. This means addressing real risks and ethical considerations. We'll explore issues like bias and data privacy, including the crucial free lunch risk. Then we'll discuss practical implementation steps, focusing on building responsible AI practices and where to start. There are real risks when AI goes wrong. These aren't theoretical. Examples include bias in welfare systems, discriminatory healthcare decisions, biased credit decisions, and even hallucinated case law. This highlights the data problem. AI models learn from the data they're trained on. If that data reflects biases, AI will amplify them. As a Google executive noted, many AI models are created by teams that don't reflect diverse communities, leading to biases. This means we need careful data and diverse teams. A big concern is the free lunch risk. This is when employees use free AI tools, often uploading company data to the public internet. Would you leave your laptop open in a coffee shop or share your password? Using free AI with sensitive data is just like that. A social worker uploaded a child's case file to a free AI tool, exposing sensitive information. This shows the critical need for awareness and secure alternatives. How do organizations build responsible AI practices? It starts with governance. Successful organizations have clear policies, but use a carrot not the stick approach. They offer safe, paid alternatives. This leads to the human in the loop principle. AI needs human oversight for error checking, accountability, and ethical judgment. Finally, critical thinking as standard. View every AI output skeptically. Is it biased? Accurate? Does it align with values? These questions need to be automatic. Now, practical steps for implementation. Where to start? First, assess current AI usage with a simple anonymous survey. You'll likely find it's higher than expected. Second, pilot projects. Start small with low-risk applications like document summaries. Learn what works. Third, education and guidelines. Create clear, acceptable use policies. Focus on enabling safe use. Provide access to secure tools instead of forcing employees to risky free ones. This structured approach helps manage the transition. Regarding the technology landscape, Microsoft Copilot integrates with existing Office workflows, keeping data within organizational boundaries. ChatGPT offers powerful general-purpose capabilities with paid tiers for business. Specialized tools also exist. Enterprise AI tools are becoming more accessible. Crucially, successful implementations integrate AI into existing workflows, minimizing disruption. If your team uses SharePoint and Outlook, Copilot enhances those tools. It doesn't replace them. Strategic integration is key. In summary of Lesson 3, we confronted generative AI's crucial risks: bias, hallucinations, and the free lunch data privacy risk. Responsible AI practices hinge on clear governance, human in the loop, and critical thinking. Practical implementation involves assessing current use, running pilot projects, and providing robust education with secure tools. Understanding the technology landscape and integrating AI into existing workflows is vital. Next, in our final chapter, we'll explore AI's future, scaling its use, and the enduring human element. Welcome to our final lesson. We've covered generative AI basics, applications, and challenges. Now, drawing from modules 6, 7, and 8, we'll look forward. We'll explore the plateau effect, discuss preparing your workforce, and dive into a structured approach for scaling AI use cases. Finally, we'll reaffirm the human element. This lesson will equip you with a roadmap for embracing the future of human-AI collaboration. Module 6 introduces the plateau effect. Gartner's analysis says AI capabilities will improve, but fundamental use cases will stabilize. This is good news. Organizations can invest in AI skills without constant disruption. The focus shifts from what can AI do to how do we do this safely, ethically, and effectively. Preparing your workforce involves continuous learning, critical thinking, ethical reasoning, and cross-functional collaboration. Also, foster cultural change. From AI will replace us to AI will augment us by sharing success stories. Successful AI implementations follow a systematic approach. OpenAI's analysis shows AI leaders achieve faster revenue growth and higher returns. Yet 92% of companies plan more AI investment, but only 1% feel mature. This gap is both a challenge and an opportunity. To bridge this, a three-step framework for scaling AI is proposed. This provides a clear path from experimentation to widespread impactful AI integration. Let's look at the first step. Step 1. Identify opportunities. Think of AI as super assistants. First, target repetitive, low-value tasks. As Clairvaux Launch Darkly CPO suggests, make an anti-to-do list and ask, how can I not do this again? Second, address skill bottlenecks, where AI helps employees expand into areas like data analysis. Third, navigate ambiguity. Use AI for brainstorming, analyzing data, or figuring out next steps when clarity is lacking. These are common pain points where AI gives immediate value. Step 2. Teach your teams the 6 use case primitives. These are fundamental patterns. First, content creation for sales summaries or reports. Second, research for quick concept learning. Third, coding for debugging or script generation. Fourth, data analysis for harmonizing data. Fifth, ideation and strategy for brainstorming. Sixth, automation for repeatable tasks. These primitives provide a common language and approach for identifying AI solutions, empowering employees to find their own use cases. Step 3. Prioritize using the impact effort framework. This helps decide where to focus. High ROI, high impact, low effort are quick wins. Self-service. Low impact, low effort are personal assistant tasks. Scope and prioritize. High impact, high effort are transformational projects needing resources. Deprioritize. Low impact, high effort are set aside. This framework ensures resources are allocated effectively. Advanced users, like Estee Lauder, embed AI across entire workflows with systematic approaches. Finally, let's reinforce the human element. AI is advancing, but human judgment, creativity, empathy, and ethical reasoning are irreplaceable. As Morna's CEO Stefan Bennell says, we're looking at every business process and thinking about how to redesign them with AI. Even Microsoft emphasizes human intervention. The goal isn't AI doing everything, but humans and AI working together to achieve outcomes neither could accomplish alone. The future of work is a collaborative one where human qualities are amplified by AI. Thank you for joining me. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and embrace Gen AI's collaborative potential.